Hey people, it's DannyJerky12 here, and sorry for no video today, and I'm just going to play a bunch of sound effects with a black screen. I hope that's okay with you since I can't make any special video because I was really busy today. So anyway, just sound effects, so yeah. Alright, bye.
Daniel,
thank you for watching, guys. Just to make this a quick video since it's nighttime right now, and so thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out, and bye bye. But don't forget to share your opinion in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Quick intro, quick outro, and we're done. Bye bye. Oh wait, high five. Woo!